Hi guys, welcome to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be unboxing IPSY Glam Bag for the month of September. If you guys don't know what IPSY is a beauty subscription box, and this one that I have right here is $12 a month, and it includes 5 sample deluxe size products. So let's go ahead and unbox this. Okay, so the first thing I see right here, I actually chose it in my add-ons, and I'm not sure how much I paid for it. I think it was $12. This is the Beauty Blender foundation. It's called Bounce Liquid Whip Longwear Foundation. So I'm very excited that I was able to choose this in my add-on store at IPSY because I was dying to try this foundation, and I chose it in the color Blend 3.25N. so hopefully this is a good match for me. I won't be trying it today, of course. I have makeup on, but I will be trying it in another video and hopefully share with you guys. And this is what it looks like. The packaging is super cool, so I was really excited to get this. And it actually has like, I guess, like a lock here, because you put it like that and then squeeze it, or like, you know, touch this thing right here, and then the product will come out here. And then just with the beauty blender, you put it on, or a brush or anything. So that's pretty cool. I think by the look of it, I think it's gonna match me, but we'll see. But either way, I'm very excited for this product. Let me see if I could actually see the amount, like how much that's worth. And this is actually a retail value of $40, so, and I got it for $12, so that's pretty amazing. That's one of the perks of being IPSY subscriber or member. You could be a subscriber for any of their different bags that they have. Apart from this one, which is $12, they have the $25, and they have the other one, which is, I think it's $50, but don't quote me on that. But, and then you could get like many perks as discounts when the add-ons are available. You get points for reviewing these products, and based on those points you could get free stuff. So that's really nice. I think I have one of the items here that I got it free in the store based on my points. So let me see if I see it. Yeah, it's right here. I actually had something else, but I think that's gonna come in the next month. But this is from Pacifica. I actually like this palette. This is what it looks like. And this is the Desert Sunset Matte Blush and Bronzer. And it's really nice. I actually have tried Pacifica before, and I think it was a blush and a bronzer as well, but it was a different color. Oh my gosh, if I could open this. Okay, I was finally able to open this. I don't know what's wrong with me. But anyway, this is what it looks like. You have the duo, the blush and then the bronzer. And on the back, you actually have a mirror, a big mirror. So this is pretty nice, and it smells really good. So this is the colors. And I do not have this, so I'm very excited. And I actually got this free from my points, that I had. So that's really nice. And how do you get points in IPSY? Well, you get points by referring your friends, and you also get points by giving reviews, I guess, of the products that you get monthly. So yeah, if you guys, anyway, before continue to unbox this, if you guys are interested, I have the link down below, and you could use my code for, and for that I refer you, and then I get points, but that's just if you want. Anyways, let me keep unboxing. Oh, let me see if I could actually see the price of this. No, I cannot, since this was an actual points. From my points, I can't see how much that was worth. So anyways, the next item I have right here is a brush, and I'm very happy to always get brushes. This brush feels really soft actually, and this is from the brand Suba Beauty. I actually think I have, I'm not sure, I think I have some stuff from them, and it's called 180. So I think this could be like a blush brush or a highlighter pretty much whatever you like. You know, you are your own artist with your tools, so that's pretty nice. I like it. And let me see the price of this. Okay, this is actually, it doesn't tell you the full value of this, but it's pretty cool actually when you have the IPSY Glam bag that sometimes you do get full-size items, so that's nice. Okay, next product. This is all in the outside. I still haven't shown you guys the bag or the theme. I'm not even sure what the theme is this month, and I hope there's a card, but okay, the next thing I chose in my honor, which was $3, is a tweezer. And you may ask, why did I order a tweezer? That's just weird. But I can't even open this, but I'll just show you guys like this. This tweezer feels like really heavy, and I actually wanted a new tweezer because I have one from the brand Shella and it's really good, but I wanted a backup. And this is like the form of a C, because you could actually, I saw on an Instagram that this type of tweezers are much better to put the fake lashes on than the actual tool that comes to put your lashes on. I don't know if I'm making myself clear, but yeah. And this one looks so precise. And it has like two ends, as you can see here. This one's a little bit fatter, and then this one's like more precise. So I'm super excited to try this with my lashes and to plug some of the hairs that I do have and I need to plug. Anyways, the price of this, let me see if I could find it. No, I can't even see the price of this, so I'm sorry guys. Next, I'm just gonna show you the bag for this month, September. This is the bag, and it's like a, I'm not sure. This reminds me of like a rug. It's not the prettiest bag, honestly. It's not my favorite. I do like this color, but I don't like much of this yellow, this mustard yellow, and then the felt, like it doesn't look appealing to me, but that's just okay. Then the inside, I have more products. Okay, so I guess the theme was good vibes. That was the theme. And then, ooh, actually, that's different. On this month, they actually included the products here, which they never do. Sometimes they just have like some tips, and here you have a couple of tips, but they also included information and prices of the items, so that's exciting. Well, first of all, let me tell you the price of the brush that I couldn't find in the app, but it's $22 and you get it, and you only pay for $12 for this bag. And it actually says that the value is $50 per plus for this whole bag, so that's pretty nice. Okay, enough talking. Next item I got here. Okay, this is the primer, and this is from the brand The Professional Benefits, the Professional Hydrate Primer. I think I actually have this in full size. I'm not sure if it's the hydrating primer or the regular primer, but I have tried a couple of their primers and I really love it. This is just amazing. This one says that it's hydrating face primer to minimize the look of pores. And then, yeah, and it's like a really tiny, let's see if I can show you. It's a really tiny, cute, portable sample size, but you could get a lot. You actually don't need that much primer, to be honest, so this could last you a while. And one of the things that I really like about this $12 bag is that you get like mini samples or sample deluxe size of products, and you could just take it on the go, traveling, whatever. Just take your sample. You don't need the big full size of the items, and you're good to go. This is the full size of that primer is $32. Okay, the next item I have right here, it's from the, hold on, let me see if it focuses. Okay, this is from the brand Item Beauty, Cheek, Money, and Mood. So it's a Swipe and Glow bronzer. Ooh, it's a bronzer. Nice. Oh my god, it's a really cute packaging actually. I really like it. Let me open it. It doesn't smell like anything, but this is the bronzer. It's cute. I think it's gonna match me good. Yeah. And the full value of this bronzer is $18. So this is the deluxe sample. Okay, next let's see the next item I have right here. This is my favorite mascara. Okay, so this mascara is from Tarte and it's called the Big Eagle. This is actually the first what do you call it? The first kind of like expensive mascara I ever tried, and I loved this so much that until like the other day I threw it away because I couldn't just, you know, it was just done, like it was expired already. But I really love it, and when I saw that IPSY had one of the choices was this, I'm like, I got to have this because, you know, it's a deluxe size, but I could just take it on the go, and I love this mascara. I just love it. And the full size value of this is $23. And you guys know I love Tarte Cosmetics, so that's super nice. And the last item I have right here is, what is this? It's called, let me see it's called Douche Freematic Blush Mono in Daydream, and then the retail value is $14. Okay, so let me see if I can open it. So it's a blush. I do love getting blushes as well. This is always nice to get. And just, ooh, okay, it opens like that, super cute. Okay, so this is a blush. It's really soft actually. Yeah, and it's matte. So yeah, this is what it looks like. So overall, I'm very happy with my Glam Bag this month. So yeah, that's a thumbs up for IPSY, and I'm very excited to try all of these products, especially what I got in the add-ons. That foundation from Beauty Blender is just amazing, so I'm just excited for that. So stay tuned for my next videos. I'm gonna be creating more tutorials of different looks, hopefully, and yeah, I have a lot of things planned, so stay tuned. If you're a new subscriber and you like what you see, please subscribe. And thank you very much for the support, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.